Hi everyone, let's talk about a puzzle which is going to be our final difficult decanting problem as the final installment of a series of such problems. In this puzzle, there's a 12-liter container that is filled to the brim with water, and there's also two empty containers that can hold up to 8 and 5 liters each. How can you split the 12 liters into two equal parts in two different containers? So this is a classic decanting problem where we need to split the water that we have across two containers. And as with all decanting problems, there is the condition that at each step, some container must either be filled to the brim or be emptied completely. So I'll wait for 5 seconds and you can pause the video if you want, and then I'll cover the solution. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's take a look at how we can make this happen. First thing we notice is that 12 divided by 2 is 6. And that means the two containers in the end that contain 6 liters each cannot be the 5-liter container. One of them can't be the 5-liter container because the 5-liter container is too small. Now, the way we are gonna figure this out is that we're gonna work backwards from the coordinate 6, 6, 0, where 6 is the first 6 is the number of liters in the 12-liter container. The second coordinate is the number of liters in the 8-liter container, and the third coordinate is the number of liters in the 5-liter container. So we imagine that from 660 we got there by putting 5 liters from the 5-liter container into the 8-liter container. Then we imagine that the 5 liters in the 5-liter container came originally from the 12-liter container. So now we're at 1110. And we imagine that the 1 liter in the 8-liter container came from the 5-liter container. So it's 1101. And now we consider the possibility that 8 liters in the 12-liter container came from the 8-liter container. So we have 381. And then we imagine that 5 of the 8 liters in the 8-liter container came from the, 4 of the 8 liters in the 8-liter container came from the 5-liter container. And that leaves us with 345. At this point, it's a little bit difficult to know what to do next. So now we aim to work forward instead and aim for 345 as the coordinates. So to do this, we start with 1200, which is our original configuration. We go to 705 by transferring 5 liters from the 12-liter container into the 5-liter container. Then we take the 7 liters in the 12-liter container and we put it all into the 8-liter container. Then we take 1 liter from the 5-liter container and use that to fill up the 8-liter container. So we have 084. Then we take the 8 liters in the 8-liter container and we put it into the 12-liter container. And we take the 4 liters in the 5-liter container and we put it into the 8-liter container. And finally, we take 5 liters from the 12-liter container and put it into the 5-liter container, which gives us 345. And that's the configuration that we wanted. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have a different solution. I know there are some other possibilities. I'll see you next time.